Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to connect your Webmail email account to Outlook. This is incredibly useful if you want to manage multiple email accounts from one central location, making it much easier to stay organized and respond to messages without constantly switching between different platforms. Let's dive right in. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and logging into your account to load in your emails. Once you're signed in, you'll see your main inbox appear with all your current messages and folders. This is where you'll be working from to add your Webmail account. Now that your email has loaded, it's time to navigate to the File menu. You'll find this located on the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are displayed. Go ahead and click on the File tab. This section gives you access to important account management features and settings that control how Outlook operates. Once the File menu has opened, look for the Account Options menu, click on it, and a drop-down option will appear with several choices. From this drop-down selection, click on Account Settings again. This will open the Account Settings window, which is where all your email configurations are managed. From here, click on the New option to begin adding your Webmail account. An Outlook login window will appear on your screen. This is the crucial step where you'll connect your Webmail to Outlook. Simply enter your Webmail email address into the provided field. Make sure you type it correctly to avoid any connection issues later on. After entering your email address, Outlook will automatically detect the necessary settings for most webmail providers. Here's what happens next. An email verification will be sent to your Webmail account. This is a security measure to confirm that you actually own the email address you're trying to add. All you have to do is open your Webmail in a separate browser window, find the verification email, and click the verification link or follow the instructions provided. This confirms your login and identity, allowing Outlook to complete the connection process. Once you've verified your account, Outlook will finalize the setup and your Webmail account will be successfully added. You'll now be able to access emails from both your Outlook and Webmail accounts in one convenient location. This integration streamlines your workflow and ensures you never miss an important message, regardless of which account it's sent to. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.